Okay, here we are with my friend Jim Slattery at Bellaire Country Club. We're on the 15th green of the East Course, and this is, as you see, a gorgeous day in the west coast of Florida. One of the putting tips we're going to show you right now is a really great fundamental, and I'll have Jimmy explain to you just a little bit about where your eyes should be according to your setup.
Yeah, Bob. What I try and do is get my eyes directly over the line of the putt, the line of the ball to the hole. If your eyes are on that line and your optics are in perfect order, and the putt will be stroked in a straight direction. If your eyes are too far out over the ball, it'll distort your optics and the putt will tend to pull.
Okay.
So if my eyes are in here too close on this side, on the inside part of the ball, it will distort my view and I'll tend to push the ball.
So really you don't want your eyes past the ball at all, and you don't want your eyes inside too much either. You want it on that line.
I don't want to be looking back this way.
Right.
I don't want to be looking out that way.
Great.
I want my eyes directly over the line, and then I will see the line just as it is.
Okay. Give me a couple of demonstrations.
Sure. Let's check it out. Let's make sure. Once we have it.
Okay. All right, right on the high side. There you are. Simple as that. All right, well, we've got one more tip for you today, and it's about how to gradually accelerate through the ball. You know, a lot of you guys have heard this: do not decel. Don't decel into the ball. Don't bring it back quick and start into the ball slow. Well, Jim, give us a couple of strokes here that we can take a look at your pace and see the slight acceleration through the ball. All right, let's just take a look at that. And it should be something you could hardly even notice, just something that just gradually accelerates through the ball, which of course results in really good distance control. Awesome. And you see the good distance control on that other one. He's only got it a foot past, and then he hold that. You see, and it's interesting is you could hardly even notice really the acceleration. It just happens by practice to where you get it into your subconscious. You don't even have to think about it after a while after you've hit so many putts. Tell us what happens when you decelerate into the ball.
Yeah, I think the problem, Bob, is people just make too big of a backswing, and then their subconscious is realizing that they have made that big backswing, and that if they go ahead and accelerate through, they're going to hit the putt way too far past the hole. So generally what their instincts will tell them is to slow down the putter. Once you slow down the putter, we know what happens. The face closes. Usually the putt will go left, or they'll lock up with the hands and the putt will go right. The problem is that smooth acceleration, that smoothness overall to the putting stroke is lost.
Yeah, and if you just practice this, even take a video of your own putting stroke and watch it. I mean, everybody's got videos today. You could take a video, it doesn't have to be a high-speed camera, and you can see whether or not you're doing it.
Exactly.
You know? Okay, you guys try this, and if you're making too much money on the golf course, you have my address on the website. You'll know where to send it. All right, thanks a lot.